guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to move-in vlog part 2. So we're now in Lowe's. We're getting some stuff to change my doorknobs. We're getting a front door lock. So these are all the door stuff that I like. I really like this one. It matches everything in my home, so I'm gonna go for these. And I'm just trying to figure out which one I want. So guys, we just left Lowe's and we got doorknobs, new lights, a door lock, a digital door lock. So yeah, me and mom are gonna run errands while Mr. Anthony does the work. Okay guys, so we got an update to this. Oh yeah. Some more updates. This one is updated. This one is updated. I'm gonna find a before for you all when staying, because it's kind of already silver like how I like it. Put the desk up there. This is going to be changed out for silver. This is going to be the dining room light. So this is going to be a light fixture, a new light fixture that we bought. Guys, woo! The light is up. We just got to move the dining room table back, and we have this that we put up. We have this. Oh yeah. And now we're working on the chandelier. Just finished doing this chandelier light. Literally took all day, but yeah, I think it's finished. Hopefully it is. I think I got all of them on there. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm like figuring out where we want things. I know I haven't been keeping up with the vlogs, but I've been working and stuff like that. And that's pretty.
The pink comes through.
Oh yeah, I like that. And then the chairs are gonna be, the chairs are coming
This way, I think.
the other way.
Yeah. The pink comes through. The chairs are gold bottom. I think so.
Yeah, I think that'd be really nice with the chairs there. And then this is a dining room table. We got some accessories to go here.
Not finished.
Yeah, we're still not finished. We're gonna just show y'all the finished look of everything. And the sectional is coming soon, Mom. I have to show my mom how to vlog because she's gonna be the one. Mom, you're gonna be the one. Yes, you're gonna be the one that. Your face is like, shut up, just go. And yeah, the sectional's gonna go here with that gray rug in front of the sectional. This is the balcony rug. I have to order some balcony furniture. But yeah, so we're gonna put that on that wall. My mom's gonna go ahead and I'll help her. And my mom got this little. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed y'all my fan. This is so, I love my fan. My fan is just so bomb. It's just so bright. And I got these two side lamps. All I have to do is touch it and look. Boom. Bam. Bam. Oh yeah, look at God. So yeah, and then we have this little crown here. I don't know if I want to put it against this wall or against this wall. I don't know, like I'm not really sure yet, but yeah, I think I like it over the pink as well. But we're gonna see what Instagram. I know I asked you all. Oop, this is not my phone. Yeah, so like I said, guys, I'm just getting off of work. I'm still trying to find it in me to vlog. Everything's coming along for the most part. I'm getting some videos edited for y'all. But this is gonna be posted way later throughout the process. No, the guest room. Oh, I didn't show them the guest bathroom. This is the guest room. This is like my YouTube room. My mom is gonna stay here for a couple of months, so it's gonna be her room. But yeah, so so yeah, this is, by the time these posts, you're gonna be moved in, I think. So yeah, it's kind of messy in here because I've been working on some work, and I love this bathroom. I feel like I like this bathroom better than mine. But it's the guest bathroom, so we hooked y'all up, guests. You feel me? So yeah, everything's coming along slowly but surely.